In this step, I'm going to show you how to document your research. I'm going to use the APA style. You should use whatever style your instructor tells you to use. I've selected this style just because it's something that I'm working with when I'm working on my master's degree. So there are several different options out there, APA, MLA, Chicago. They're all common references, and you should ask your teacher which one to use when you're writing your papers. Once you have that done, you can select, and I'm going to edit this one. I've started working on putting in a source. So I'm going to edit the source. This is a website. I'm taking this from the work that I did last week, and you'll notice I made sure to capture everything that I needed. If not, hopefully you saved your link so you can go back to it. So you're going to want to include your link. This is where it's important to know your keyboard shortcuts. And anything with a star you really should include. So this was created April 18th, 2014. And then you want to put the date that you accessed it. Well, I took these notes down on October 13th. So 2014, October 13. And so anything that has an asterisk next to it is required. So I have one more source that I want to add for this paper, and that would be from my other source that I selected. So I'm going to choose Manage Source, hit the plus sign, and again, this is a website, so I have all the information that I need right here. And I like using the boxes to make sure, the input areas, to make sure that I'm putting things in the correct order. So last name first, and I'm going to hit OK. And I'm actually going to add a comma there and put the title in. The name of the web page is Career Planner. I'm taking that from right here. And this is, actually that's my website name. Cut and paste is a wonderful thing. So this is the INFJ description. And again, I can select link, copy and paste, and put in the information. Now, this one does not appear to list when it was printed, but that's a good reason to keep your links here. That way you can always go and visit and see if there's a date listed here. There's not always a date listed. That is one of the things that you would want to check, because typically that's something you want to see, but this is just an exercise in how to do it, not particularly like this is the greatest piece of research. So that's not there, but my year accessed is again 2014. Careful when you hit the wrong key. October and 13. Okay, so this has accidentally been putting these in here while I was working, which I don't want to do. I'm going to show you how to insert these where they belong. This one goes with the Linder, because you can see I'm quoting according to Linder, so I'm going to want to double click on that to put it in. And then my research on career options was largely based on my other source. And so I can put that one in here. Now, to make those show up, it's going to depend on what your told to use. I'm going to do this as a works cited, so I'm just going to click that and drop it in. So I want to see that you have used your references and dropped them into place. And so you can see this is my first cite, this is my second cite, and you may choose to make the formatting there match the rest of your page a little bit better if you'd like. And that's a little bit better. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Okay, so that's how you're going to cite your sources, which is an important skill to be able to do. Never completely trust Word to do the source citing for you. Always check your style guide to make sure that it is correct. But Word can help you keep track of your references and put them in place.